welcome to this informative session of Competition Guru. Friends, I think you all have heard about the DSSB exam. DSSB, which basically stands for Delhi Directorate Subordinate Selection Board. That means this exam is basically conducted for the people who want to apply for teaching job at PGT, PRT, TGT or NNT level. So let us understand what are the various courses that are covered in the entrance test of DSSB. There are basically two papers that are conducted at this level. First paper is the prelims and the second one is the main. In the prelims, there are basically four subjects from which the questions are basically asked in the entrance test. First one is the Hindi. Friends, see, I think some of the people have the good command over Hindi, but sometimes when we talk about the grammar section, maybe some people feel difficulty in the Hindi language. So you don't have to worry. I simply tell you the solution of better improving this subject, especially in the grammar section. Second one is GA, that is for the general awareness, where the four sections are basically covered, that is history, political science, economics, geography, and most importantly, one more thing is there, that is the current affairs and the general knowledge. Third one is the mathematics. I know that most of you people have lots of difficulty when we talk about the mathematics, especially the maths of the 6th to the 9th standard, because it seems very easy when we talk about the 6th to the 9th standard, but the level of the question that are basically asked in this type of the examination is, a little bit of tough. So at our institute, how we can help you, I will discuss again and later on. Let us discuss the fourth section, that is your logical reasoning and intelligence. That is basically the questions which requires lots of critical analysis and logical thinking, where the questions like the blood relation test, direction test, syllogism, arguments, assumptions, etc. are basically asked. So let us understand how Competition Gurukul can help you to crack this important prestigious exam. So at Competition Gurukul, it is our pleasure to tell you that we have individual, qualified, skilled, years of experience teacher who will help you to have your concept developed, who will tell you the tricks, who will tell you the best method that will help you to crack this exam in a very easy manner. Secondly, we provide the regular test. We provide the test on the regular basis on the weekends, where you can assess your performance and how you are basically prepared for your exam. And there is also backup and the doubt classes which we basically held or conduct on the weekend, so that in any case, if you have any problem in your concepts and if you miss any of the lectures, you can get the backup class. Most importantly, there is also provision wherever some of the people feel low while doing the exam. We also provide the counseling of the exam at our institute. For more information about DSSB, know about how you can take the free demo classes at our institute, please log on to www.competitiongurukul.in. Thank you.